Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given 4 points and we have to find the value of 3 multiplied by abscissa of A multiplied by 2 multiplied by abscissa of B multiplied by 3 multiplied by abscissa of C and whole divided by 3 multiplied by abscissa of D. Now abscissa is nothing but it is simply the x coordinate of a point. So abscissa of A according to the coordinates of the point will be 7. Similarly, abscissa of B will be equals 19, abscissa of C will be equals 26, and finally abscissa of D will be equals 20. Therefore, the required value will be 3 multiplied by abscissa of A, which is 7, multiplied by 2 multiplied by abscissa of B, which is 19, multiplied by 3 multiplied by abscissa of C, which is 26, and in the denominator we have 3 multiplied by abscissa of D, which is 20. So 3 and 3 will cancel out each other, so the remaining portion of the numerator will come out to be 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 26 will give us 20748, and in the denominator we have 20. So 20748 when divided by 20 will produce 1037.4. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option B will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.